I can't believe it. I wonder who else they are. I hope this goes well. It's a bit hairy hand launching.
Do you want me to do it?
Yeah, I can do.
Right, just point.
Is it tricky, this one?
Point that at me. What's your best?
It just needs, well, just kind of pretty much straight up. It just needs a bit bump behind it for it to start flying.
So when you trip over,
Do you want level or do you want it nose up?
Yeah, well, I mean, slightly nose up.
That?
Good. Yeah.
Say when.
whoa! Bloody hell!
You can feel it almost leap out your hand.
Feel that is, man. Ooh, it's fast, isn't it? Yeah.
We're on about 60 miles an hour there. I don't know, I'd like to know.
Can't even see it.
It's not bad, is it? It's just landing it, looks the... Did you say that as soon as I shook the throttle off, it was nose down?